Network Building Training Number 2. Welcome to $7 Wealth Network Building Training. As we discussed in the first network building training, if you still remember, I will show you in this presentation the importance of completing 2x3 matrix to a program. Let me first refresh you the compensation plan's commission payout per level per referral. In Level 1, you will get $1.25 in each referral, $1 in each referral in Level 2, and $3.25 in Level 3. Now for example, you already have 6 people on your mind that you want to help and enroll in our system. Can you please pause for a while and think how you will arrange their positions in your network? First illustration. The most popular way and very common to other home-based business company is to position these 6 people to your Level 1. Then it's up to them if they will work or not, because you already did your part, and it's up to you if you want to help them or not. As long as they already pay, and you will get your commissions. Always bear in mind that this program was designed and created for the benefits of all the members, and that wrong and traditional thinking will not work in our system, so please set aside that notion. In the second illustration, we will follow our rule to complete first your 2x3 matrix before completing your 6 people in Level 1. Please pay attention in this presentation, because it's very important for all members to know this. Tip number 1. Start building your business or network by considering the advantages and disadvantages. In this type of business, you need to consider and ask yourself if your associates trust you and comfortable to treat you as a leader. Second, is the stability of your network. It's not very important if you're earning today or next month, and how much you get on the next payout. It's a question of how long will I keep on receiving this income. Please remember that by ensuring the success of this business, you have to be very persistent in making it last for a long time. That's why trust is a very important factor to make this really work. The last thing to consider is how you will maximize your income by placing your associates or downlines in your network. Now let's compute how much you will earn in traditional way of placing your downlines of your 6 people or 6 direct referrals in Level 1. Please refer to Table 1 computation number 1. 6 people in Level 1 multiplied by $1.25 equals $7.50. In this computation, you already have $7.50 in your next commission payout. The disadvantages of this to you is, if all of them will ask for your support or help, do you think you can handle it? Maybe one by one will do. But you did promise them your full support when you are making the business presentation before. Now, how can you fulfill that promise if you have a handful of 6 associates at the same time? It's possible for a maximum of 2 persons to help, but 6 people, ask yourselves. Some of them will not understand you, and worst enough, some of them will be disappointed and will not ask for any help again to you, and they will quickly decide not to continue the business, because it's only $7 and almost nothing to lose. Most of the time, the success of the business is in the hands of people working on it. Even if you have the perfect business plan, not all the situations can be manageable. That's why we created the system that will force all members to help, whether they like it or not. Let's check now in $7 Wealth system. If you have the same number of people to place in your network, because you cannot place your 6 people as all Level 1, let's put 1 person in Level 1 times $1.25. 1 person in Level 2 times $1. And 4 people in Level 3 times $3.25 as commission for each referrals, equals $1.25 in Level 1, $1 in Level 2, and $13 in Level 3, for a total of $15.25. Is it clear to you now? And I know you are silently questioning why the distribution of the commission per levels are different. Now you know. In this illustration, you will get $15.25 per month, and in traditional way, you will only get $7.50 for the same number of referrals. Just compare the two figures. Let's check now if you have a complete matrix of 2 by 3. Please refer to Table 2. Or let's say you manage the business, even if you place them in wrong position in your network because you got a people who have a good connections in this type of business. Now let's check it in 14 people, or in the condition of our system, that before continuing to your third, fourth, fifth, and sixth referrals. In traditional way, you have 6 people in level 1, multiplied by $1.25, plus 6 people in level 2, multiplied by $1, plus 2 people in level 3 multiplied by $3.25 equals $20. And in $7 wealth payout plan, or in 2 by 3 complete matrix is 2 people in level 1 multiplied by $1.25, 4 people in level 2 multiplied by $1, and 8 people in level 3 multiplied by $3.25 equals $32.50. Now, which of the illustration you would like to follow? And remember that it's always very easy to help 1 or 2, then 6 people in your level 1. If you have another friend or referral to join, give it to your first or second referral, and it will be placed under your level 2. Continue helping these 2 people in level 1, to complete your level 2 of 4 people. With you, plus your 2 direct referrals, and they're both direct referrals, for a total of 7 people altogether, you can easily fill your level 3 of 8 people. How easy is that? Remember that every person who will join in our system have an average of 3 to 4 people in their mind to help and bring into a program like you. You will not join in our system if you are not sure that you will earn a good income, right? And if you are sure, you know that the first 2 people that you will bring in our system will also reach their goal. Ask yourself now, who's the first 2 person you will invite and introduce to our system? A family member, friends, classmates, or colleagues? Kindly check the third and last network building training. Thank you for listening.